Hi guys, welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie and today I'm going to be showing you guys the Colourpop mystery box. I got the middle one. I think it's called Confidential. I am using some of the products that came in the mystery box and I completely did not think it would turn into a cool tone like vampy lip type of thing. So I'm really happy how it turned out. I will leave everything linked down below so you guys can know exactly what I have on my face. So if you guys are curious to see what I got, just keep watching. Alright, before I begin this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be doing a huge giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So definitely consider subscribing and don't forget to give this a like, leave me a comment, and hit the notification bell because once I hit 1K, I will make a video and I will let you guys know the rules and everything so you can enter the giveaway. It's going to be multiple winners, so you have a very high chance of winning, so definitely subscribe. And yeah, let's just get back to the video. So here she is. So this is what the box looks like. It has like a bunch of cute little question marks everywhere and it's like a baby pink box. Okay, let me show you guys the inside of the box. It's so cute. So it's basically more question marks and stuff, but it has more color, like a cotton candy type of vibe. Super cute. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, it was 49 plus tax, so I paid like 52 or 53 around there. I'm just gonna randomly pick something. Okay, so this one is a 4th Ray Beauty Chamomile Face Milk. I tried this one yesterday when I got it and it's actually so nourishing, and if you didn't know, I have really dry skin, so anything hydrating is like a winner to me. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this smells so freaking good too. And just ignore my nails. I am in desperate need of a manicure. And it's not overwhelming. Like, it's a very yummy smell, but it's not overpowering that you're like grossed out and it's gonna make you throw up. When I first heard about it, when I heard milk, I'm like, I don't know if I want to put like milk in my face. I don't know if that's good or not. Let me know. I have no idea. At the end of all of this, I'm going to be totaling up the amount to see if it was worth it or not also. Okay, so the second thing that I got is, honestly, I love these mystery boxes because it introduced me to a bunch of new things that I would have never bought on my own. And this one is one of them. This is their Add to Natural mascara and this is in the shade Black. If you guys have tried it, let me know how you like it. I tried it on when I did my face right now and I love it so much. I love how my lashes look and they actually stood up with the curling that I put. Usually the one that I used to use before didn't really stay up when I curled them and then I put the mascara, but this one actually did, so I really like it. And this is what she looks like on the actual tube. I usually buy a high-end mascara and now I'm completely switching over this, like for sure. So thank you so much, Colourpop. I love it so much. Okay, so the next thing that I got here, this is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek. Oh wait, let me flip it around. Whoops. There you go. Now it makes more sense. And this one is called Brute Flute. I have no idea what that means, but I think this is from the wine collection that they had. This might be going in the giveaway pile that I'm gonna do for you guys, so if you guys want this, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so the next thing that I got, it's so cute and I'm really happy I got it. This is the Creme Gel Liner and this is from the Cherry collection that they had, so obviously this is gonna be red and I have never had red eyeliner before, so I'm really happy I got this because I would have never tried it on my own, to be honest. But it's so cute. Like the top, it's just cherries and stars. It's just a red color like this. I'm definitely keeping it and this inspires me to do more creative looks. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I am in love with, and it is what I'm wearing on my eyelids. This is the Super Shock Shadow in Ripple and it's this beautiful purpley blue color. I'm gonna show you guys right now. That is what I have all over my eyelids. I really wanted to use that red liner, but then I saw this and I saw how beautiful it was and I had to use this instead of the liner. Obviously, I already put my finger on it, but look how pretty that is. It's like a beautiful purpley blue reflect kind of vibe. I love it. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I'm kind of heartbroken, but I think I'm gonna be putting this in my giveaway pile. And I'm talking about their Animal Crossing collab, and this is What a Hoot mini eyeshadow palette. I personally have no emotional connection to Animal Crossing. I know it's a game, but I have never played it, so this was a little bit easier to get rid of. This is the outside of the palette, which is absolutely adorable. I don't know who those characters are or anything, but it's such a cute cute little mini palette. And this is the back of it. Oh my gosh, you can't really see it because of the glare. But this is the mirror. It has like the two little owls on each end. And this is the actual palette. I think it's so freaking cute. I love it so much. So I'm a little heartbroken to be giving it away. But I feel like I have these colors everywhere in my eyeshadow palette collection. So I'd rather give it to you guys. And to someone who actually, you know, loves Animal Crossing, I'd rather give it to you. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I'm in love with. I've never been a soul body person. The thing with me is that it takes a lot for me to convince me to buy a product that I've never used before. So when I get them in mystery boxes and I try them out and I really like them, it's such a huge win for me because I know I'm going to be repurchasing it. And this one is going to be one of them. This is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil and I got the color Golden Pearl. I absolutely love this packaging. Look how beautiful it is. It definitely gives me like Chinese culture vibes. I love that. They have such beautiful culture and decorations. It's so cute. So I'm not really sure what that has to do with like the Chinese culture, but I am obsessed. It is basically a drying shimmer and I don't know why I don't own more of these because these look absolutely beautiful. Maybe it's because I never leave my house, so I have no reason to use these. I don't know if this is a mini or not, but this size is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna try to show you guys. I have a bunch of product on me, but this one obviously I'm keeping because I even reordered one, so another color. It's not coming out. Oh my lord. Okay. So I put a lot, but it's such a beautiful color. I don't know if you guys can really see it that well. It's like a white pearly gold, just like the name, obviously. And then this will dry up and then it'll be like a shimmering goddess on your skin. Okay, so the next thing that I'm getting, excuse me. I'm also going to be putting this in the giveaway and I got a single pressed eyeshadow and this one is Hop On. It's just like a pretty red kind of color. I don't have a magnetic palette, so I wouldn't have anywhere to put this anyways, so that's why I'm giving it away. Okay, so another product that I'm keeping, it's gonna be this lippy pencil and it's actually the one that I'm wearing right now and this is in the shade Ashton. This is the reason why, this and the purple is the reason why I did like a cool toned color, because look at it. Look how cool, literally, look how cool the color is. And I already, you know, put it on my lips, so that's gonna be the color. Let me just swatch it. Oh my gosh, shush. It's just like a cool toned brownie kind of color, but it's so pretty. I love that color so much, and that's what I'm wearing on my lip. And then I have Gypsy Soul from Red Apple lipstick, you know, all over my lips, so that is what I'm wearing. And like I said, I would have never bought this color on its own, honestly, so thank you, Colourpop. Okay, we're almost done. The next thing that I got, it's this very pretty packaged brush. So this is their medium fluffy brush and I love the packaging. It's so freaking pretty. And I'm gonna be giving this away because I have so many brushes like this that I don't even use. So this is the F24 brush. It looks really good quality. I do have Colourpop brushes and I know that they're really good, so let me know if you guys want it. Okay, we're down to the last two. Okay, so this is another product that I'm going to be doing a giveaway with, and this is the So Juicy Pumping Gloss, and I just got the Princess Cut gloss and it's just a sheer with nothing on. I would keep this because I love lip glosses, but when I hear the word plumping, I just like turn off for me. I don't like plumping anything. The only time that I've actually bought a pumping gloss was with the Lizzie McGuire collab, but that's because it's Lizzie McGuire. That's my freaking childhood, so I'm guessing this is the same formula. Okay, so the last item here, I got a lippy stick. I don't think I've ever had a lippy stick in this, you know, type of way. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I guess it's called Who Run This. This is perfect for the fall. I talk like there's actually a fall in Miami. Like, yeah, right. It's been pouring rain all day today, so if I look a little gloomy, that's why. Okay, so this is the actual color. I am in love with it. I love these type of colors. Let me just swatch it for you guys. And it glides on so creamy. I need like 15 of these colors. It's like a reddish brick kind of color. Brick red kind of colors are like one of my favorite colors ever, especially when they're more like earthy toned. I love those colors so much. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the things that came out out in my box. Please let me know what you guys got. I am so curious. I want to know if there's a different variation even in the same size of the box, because every time I get a mystery box and I get the same size twice, I always get repeats. So let me know how it is with Colourpop, because I know they have thousands of products, so maybe they don't have as many repeats. Just let me know. So I added everything, and everything in this box, if I would have gotten it individually on its own with no sale, everything would have come out to $101.50. So that is awesome. I only paid $53, I think, for all of this, so I got everything for like half off basically. So I am super happy with that. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Also give me a like and leave me a comment. That helps out so much with the algorithm of my baby channel. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend, and thanks so much for watching.